Hey JC, what's today?
Sunday.
Sunday, what is it?
We're going to Grandma's to go listen to the prophet and look at who's coming with us. Yay!
What else is it today? Whose birthday?
Taylor's.
Taylor's birthday. Charlie, love you. So there's the pig I made, and the game it's on is called Mexican Horseshoes. It's sort of like playing cornhole or a beanbag toss sort of thing, but it's usually laying on the ground, but I like how they have them set up for this party. So this game's called Feed the Pig. Also, you're trying to keep the balloons in the air, keep the chick flying. I like that one a lot. Oh my, look what Steve made. See, that one's called Lasso the Horse, and then this one with the bowls and the cotton balls is called Shear the Sheep. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Taylor. Happy birthday to you.
Can you play? Jake, don't ruin it this time. Watch the doll's hair or you'll have that on fire. Ready?
What's one more fire, Kim? Today's the first day of spring break.
Today's the good thing of spring break, and guess what? Right now we are going to color and take care of the dog. And later we're going to take a nap and watch a show after. But this is going to be the great day ever! Yay! Yay!
Okay, today is Monday night. We're going to do a mile workout. We're going to do a family home evening lesson. And then we're going to do some cool drawing stuff. So what did you guys learn from the lesson tonight?
I learned that you can be an example and you don't have to be afraid if people aren't like living like you are. You just can work around it. You don't have to be part of it.
So if you have standards and you're like, hey, I'm not gonna swear, and little kids around you are swearing, you can do other things or pick other friends to play with. Draw a shape and then you have to make a picture of it. So I'm gonna draw you a shape, and you want green?
Yeah.
Okay, green. Today is the second day of spring break for the kid, so she doesn't have to go to school. Hey Charlie, say hi. Say hi. Oh no, she's running away. They all have a bunch of energy today. A bunch of energy today. Today is the third day of spring break. We're going galactic mini golfing with my brother, his wife, and their kids. Yeah, today is the third day of spring break. I'm trying to get out and do some fun stuff.
Jason, where are we going?
To my favorite place.
What's your favorite place?
Going golfing.
Mini golf.
Glow in the dark golfing over at the Rush.
That's the one I was talking about.
So you're talking about, then you can just go bowling over there with your class.
Yep.
Charlie, where are you going?
Golfing, miniature. Golfing!
Okay, use the middle one. Charlie's learning how to climb. Climb on the middle one. It's a great place to come if you're two. It's free. Climb up.
What are we doing now?
Shoes on.
Shoes on for what?
Let's
We're going bowling.
Are super.
Let's see your shoes. Those are some sweet shoes, Gage. JC. What? You got some cool blue shoes. Okay, well, today is day number 4 of spring break. Yeah, I just got off work, coming over to the in-laws to pick up the kiddos. Well, we're back. We are back, guys. My kids take over so much stuff. I was gonna film me going over there, talking to them, picking them up, but it was like 4 or 5 bags, plus toys, plus the dog, plus who knows what. We're back. Charlie fell asleep. JC wants to play a little bit, and then today my sister and her family's moving back in town, so we're gonna help them move, and we're gonna go bowling with the brothers, which we are living in different places now, so it's hard to get together, so we might be go bowling. Okay, well, we're now with we finished unloading. We're over here at Boondocks. With the brothers. We're going bowling. So Nathan was first, I was second, Richard was third, and Nick was 4th place. Nicole just showed up to the party. Hi. Hi. So we just got done bowling. This is the bowling alley. We're over here at Boondocks, like I said. Yeah, we are going to go do something else. So we're here at the, what's this place called? The Blaze?
Blaze Pizza.
The Blaze Pizza. So this is the pizza place we ate at. Yeah, I just made it home from hanging out with the family. My wife's on her way home, get the kids ready for bed, and then we're down to a couple more days of spring break. Right now we're at my brother Nathan's kids' blessing. They're having sort of a luncheon. We're eating salads and soups and stuff like that. But the kids are running around. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi. Let's go get one.
Yeah, they're running around having fun, but the baby blessing's gonna be in a little bit. Get really loud in here, but fun stuff. Levi wants a hug too. That is hilarious.
Sit on this side.
What are you eating?
Take these keys out.
Ice cream and cake.
Ice cream and cake. What kind of cake?
Otherwise, it just hurts your leg.
Ice cream
Chocolate.
cake.
What kind? You're eating just ice cream cake?
How's everything?
It's mommy's cake.
Mommy's cake?
This one.
That one?
Yeah.
Ooh, what kind did you get?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Okay, well today was a great day. I went to work, went to the baby blessing, and then we came all over, all the siblings came over to my parents' house, and we talked, and we ended up watching a couple movies. It was fun. Got to hang out with them. Don't always get to do that. If you like what you've seen this week, and please think about subscribing. So when we do come out with a new video, you can be one of the first people to check it out. We also do weigh-ins on Sundays. We post that on Facebook, so you can see how we're going, if we did good, if we didn't do good, what our weigh-in is, and then what we can do to improve. Thanks for watching.